You can also be a part of our art gallery, so send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Mansi and he is Biswajit sir, representing Doremi, a platform nourishes the stars to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So today we have been called for a birthday party. So what are the things we need for a birthday? The most important, the birthday song and the birthday decoration. So let's do one thing. Let's change this full area. You decorate this part and I'll make the children sing and play the song Happy Birthday. I will be teaching you a small lesson. I gave you the first lesson. Yes, I gave them the first lesson. So today we can do Happy Birthday song and sir will be teaching.
Hello everyone, I am Biswajit and representing Doremi. Today I have come up with a new video for all of you. You know where I am? I have been called for a birthday party and I want to give the kids a small decoration as a gift, and this decoration will be helpful for you because you can also learn how I am using paper to make a decoration, so you can use it for your birthday. Okay, so let's start and see what I'm doing. So students, what is this? This is a mound board. We need this mound board. We are going to make an animal for the kids. Okay, because kids and you, everyone like animals. Okay, so we will make some animals. So how we will make this? First you have to take a mound board and you have to roll the mound board like this way. For holding this you need tape. Okay, with the scissor I will cut the tape. Look, you take a help of somebody. This way I will paste it both the ends. Okay, done. Now very simple, you have to just wrap it. You need to wrap this, showing wet. Okay, sorry, you take help of somebody. Okay, first I have hold this paper over here. Now you need to roll this. When you are making the roll, be very careful, both the ends should be covered nicely. Okay, now you have to complete it. So you need again tape that it should not open. This is going to be the body of our animal. So I am using this color for the elephant. Okay, and you know I will paste the face also. Look how I have made, and I will show you how I am making the face now. Okay, so you have understood how you have to make the body. Okay, very simple, you can do, everybody can do this. Now let's see the interesting part of the animal, that is their face. And face, for making a face I am taking a thermocol plate, easily available in the market. If you can't get this thermocol plate, you can use an ordinary paper plate also. Okay, but it should be a dish, not plate. Okay, dish. So for this I need again the same paper. Look. Okay, now I will cut it from this, a round part. Okay, so I am going to cut. I have already drawn the round. First I am cutting just a rectangular shape from the paper. Okay, because after cutting out the rectangular shape from the paper, then I will concentrate to cut out the round shape. So here is my round shape. Already I have drawn. So it will be very easier for you if you fold the paper. If you fold the paper, okay, then you can see the half round. Here you can see the half round. You just need to cut that round shape. When you open the paper, you can see a full round, exactly the way I have done this face also. Look this. Okay, so take your scissor. Look, so simply I have got a round shape. It is so easy, no? Now I have to paste it. I will paste it, okay? For pasting, I am just using this double-sided tape, okay? You can use gum also, any other gum also, but I am using this. In the middle of the paper, look. Now I have to paste it on the thermocol plate. You cannot see thermocol plate. It is used as a support. And this is going to be a elephant's face. I am going to make the animal name is elephant. Okay, and now I have to make the trunk of the elephant. So you know the trunk is S type of. So think on that. Let me draw this. You take a sketch pen and just draw the shape like a trunk. Don't make it too big. Okay. And this way I am going to make many other animals. Giraffe. Okay. So you have to paste it. Look, it is looking fantastic like our elephant. Same way, I will take my double-sided tape once again. I'll paste it. Oh, the birthday party decoration is going to be rock. Is going to something. I am very excited actually. What is happens? Okay, and this I'm doing first time. Okay, I am very much excited like all of you. Okay, and you also do in your home and please show me. Okay. Look, so I have to make eyes and what teeth. Yes. कहते हैं ना हाथी के दिखाने के दांत कुछ और होते हैं, खाने के दांत कुछ और होते हैं. इसका अर्थ क्या है मुझे भी नहीं मालूम. भेज देना कमेंट में, ठीक है? So let's start. Let's see. So for making a teeth, you can take white paper. So it is highly available anywhere. Look, you need two teeth. So I have fold the paper. If I fold the paper and if I cut, so now see, I have completed the eyes and I have done the ear also in the same way, cutting and pasting, and in the same way I am going to make other animals also. So it is a small surprise for you. I will show you in the display.
So now this video will be continued in our part 2. If you like our video, subscribe our channel, press the notification bell, choose all options, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.